Welcome to Roper's math class. We are dealing with now commutative law in addition. Now this law states that any order in which you put a set of numbers to be added, any order in which you put a set of numbers to be added, it will result in the same answer. Now let's take the numbers that we have here. We have 5, 3, and 2 equals 10. 5 and 3, 8 plus 2, 10. 5 plus 2 equals 7 plus 3 equals 10. 3 and 2, 5, 5 and 5, 10. 3 and 2, 5, 5 and 5, 10. 3 and 5, 2 and 5, 7 plus 3, 10. 5 and 3 and 5, 8 plus 2, 10. It here, any order in which you put the math, we end up with the answer 10. 3, 5, 3, 2, 10. 5, 2, 3, 10. 2, 3, 5, 10. 3, 2, 5, 10. All the answers equal 10. So that is what we call commutative law. The order in which you place the numbers to be added will not change the result. Alright? It will result in the same. That's commutative law. If you have any problems with this, just let me know in the comments.